I've welded from this back side, so you can see I've got good penetration here. This side here, I welded this side, mainly so I can get the grinder in there to clean it up. But again, you can see I've got really good penetration across the other side. I've just filled in some of these plug wells I wasn't happy with, so I'll grind them off again. And then this side here is basically finished. I've got to put this end plate in next, so I'll just tidy that up, put this end plate in, and then I can mount this little handle that goes through there. But I'll grind these out first, or I've got this end just out just to make life a little bit easier for myself.